Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sumati Anand and in today's video I am going to do something crazy. I believe you would have already seen it in the title. Yes, I'm going to cut my own hair today and I've been doing it a number of times in the past as well since I was in college, but never done it on camera. So let's see how it goes. I have also failed a number of times and I have been experimenting a lot, going from layers to bangs to short hair, different shades of browns, reds. I even had 7 hair colors at a time in my hair. Yes, and without wasting much time, in today's video, I am going to do a bob haircut with long hair in the front and short hair in the back. So let's get into the video. And before we start, here are some things that we are going to need. So a mandatory comb, a short scissor, a big scissor. A lot of people advise not to use a big scissor, but really helps. With that, here are some rubber bands that we are going to need to tie our hair at different lengths, and that's all. Let's start cutting the hair. The very first step is to comb your hair and wet hair with normal water. Here's a old water bottle that I'm reusing, so filled with very normal water, nothing in it. Just wet your hair and then comb your hair again so that they are straight. So now my hair are wet and I'll move to the next step, that is tying your hair in a very low ponytail. This ponytail is going to be very low as well as very loose. So we'll tie it twice, one at the back of the head in a very loose ponytail. Then we'll tie our hair one more time according to the length that we need. So जितने भी लंबे आपको बाल चाहिए उस length पे you can tie another rubber band, and this is what it will look like. I have also tied my hair twice. The second rubber band is at the length where I need my hair to be. So I'll use the bigger scissor, and with that I'll use second. Okay, and let's start with the big step. Right here, cutting the larger chunk of my hair with the big scissor, and we are, oh my god, okay. And okay, we are done. And oh my god, let's see what they look like. So right here, this is what my hair look like, taking out all the rubber bands. Again, just comb your hair once so that your hair is straight, and my god, they look nice. Okay, and I've got what I was wanting already, so my hair are already a little longer at the front. And just looking at the old hair, these were actually the very large chunk of my colored hair that are going out today, so bye to them. And let's move forward with the next step. So this is what my hair looks like at the back. They're a little uneven, so the next step will be to retouch and even my hair. And the next step doesn't require any particular rules. This is going to be very normal. I'm just going to cut my hair, evening them, retouching them. So I'll just tie the larger chunk of my hair at the back of my head, and I'll start with the shorter hair at the end, just taking each chunk of hair and cutting them very roughly only at the ends so that they don't look very rough. They'll have a very even tone, and this is what I'm going to do to all the other parts of my hair, to all the other larger chunks, and this is how it goes. what my hair looks like. They look quite good, and I'll set the hair and I'll come back very soon with the final look. So I'll see you. I cannot stop touching my hair, and this is my new look. I am already loving my hair, and okay, with that, that was all for today's video. But before I go, just wanted to tell you one more time that I am loving it. And before that, and here is my new hair. I'm loving it. And with that, I'll see you in the next video because I cannot stop swirling my head. And do like, share, and subscribe the video if you like it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, everyone.